my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you why your fall cucumber leaves are turning yellow and why the fruit is not setting. Here's a clip from the show. And next is our cucumbers. Now I'm starting to see a little bit of yellowing on the leaves. You can see there's just not quite as vigorous. That's the cold night temperatures, and these things will get slower and slower and slower because they like warm nights, and 39 degrees is just not enough for them. But we'll get the cucumbers that we can. There are a few in here, and we'll just take them as far as we can into the season. All right, here's our cucumbers for the week. This is the whole week. I didn't pick these midweek, so that's actually pretty good. But I am seeing a bunch of little ones that are aborting now. When it's cold, they just don't set, and we won't get cucumbers. So hopefully there'll be a few more in there, but I'm betting this will be our last big crop. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 28. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.